No, 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 don't do it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Look out for fluffy white things in the fields.
Okay.
So the first sheep breed that we've got coming to the farm is the Clin, and they are a Welsh breed of sheep, northwest Wales originally, and they are the only sheep breed I've really got much experience with. I used to look after a flock of these in the summer holidays when I was much younger, but the breed itself is a really easy to keep breed. They're really good mothers, do well out on grass all year round, and this is a really good starter flock for us. The breeders are kind of downsizing, so what we decided to do is buy half a dozen shearlings, so they are ready to breed for the first time this year, and then 5 ewes with lambs, so kind of a range of ages, but a decent sized flock to start grazing and some to breed from for next year. So you all go right through to the back, and then they won't spook them. Go right. Go slow. They're more experienced. Well, they've already done this once this morning, or earlier. Yeah, they came from a different field in the trailer, so. Open all the sides.
Ah! It's got a big face. And then there's two.
Yeah, I hope they do well. Anyway.
Yeah. Right, well, we're back. Everyone's okay, I think. Thanks for shutting the gate just in case we have any runners. Hello. So that's all the ewes down the bottom with the lambs, and then the shearlings up top. For now, they're up in this top paddock. There's stock fence around nearly all of it, but we just decided to keep them on one side. So we're going to put this electric on tonight. At least half of them have been behind electric already, so they should be all good. I didn't get the fence tester out because the girls just touched it. It's definitely on. You alright? What we need to do is work together here a bit. I need you that side face because I don't want them to turn back on themselves. Yeah. Go on then, girls. Wait for it. Come on then, girl. Come in a bit, Faith, come in a bit. Make some sense. Come up, come forward. Faith, come forward. Wait, no, go round the other side of them. Faith, come around that way. Okay. Well done. They followed. They're gone, they're gone. Well, that's it. We've got sheep.
She can have a night in there.
Alright, let's get the car forward and then.
You're off the fence.
Okay, I'm just going to put this fence a little bit lower because it's in a hollow like a dip. I think we're good to go live. Just hope my little jerry-rigged bit jumping from one pig pen over to the next, it's okay. You should be on now. We need to strain this corner out because you put this in the ground,
Yes.
which is the earth, yeah? It's the ground at that end. Then you hook this on the live bit, and the bulbs in here will tell you how many volts it is. So watch. Can you see them flashing up?
Yeah.
Did you just get a whack? No. Alright. You'll only do it once. They're learning the fence. Oh, yeah. And this one's mummy with her 3 triplets. The purple spots are that set. And they seem like they're doing just fine. So we'll keep a special eye on them. We've done a quick whip round, do all the chores. We're just going to put one more bucket of water out. We've got a trough to plumb in. We're just waiting on some overground pipe because we're going to run it overground. It's going to go in yellow bucket. They're all heading down the bottom. Oh yeah, they're still getting a little tickle, aren't they? But the next priority is definitely to get a nice permanent or semi-permanent feed for the electric fencing all the way down through the fields, and then we can just join onto it. We can split up paddocks. We can put the poultry down there with poultry netting or sheep netting. We got some different electric fencing arriving tomorrow, which looks quite smart. So hopefully they will stay put all night. It is stock proof-ish anyway. Good morning, folks. Busy day today. Lots of jobs here on the farm. First up, no, don't sniff the electric fence. Maggie, come back. She's already done it once, she's not learnt. Sheep are all present and correct. We're gonna try and move them from this side to this side later. We've got some new electric fencing to try out. Maggie, Maggie! Oh. We've got some new electric fencing to try out later, just to cheer the dog up even more. Right, this morning you were very fortunate to be able to witness a demonstration of how not to herd pigs. This is our second attempt. I'm not gonna lie. First attempt was a bit messy and did end up in some minor family politics. We've got to move the 6th weaners to the field. They're hungry, they're gonna be noisy. Right, here we go. Release the beast. That's only 5 of you. No, 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 don't do it. Don't do it. Right, we need honey and mustard up front because they're the only ones that actually know what a bucket is. Come on. Great. Oh, girls. Why can't they be like you? Have a bit of a treat. Falling out of love with the Oxford Dandy and Blacks. They have no common sense at all. Yes, yeah, that's right. Look, food. Oh, look. No, there's only 3 of you. Come on, I'm going to lose my hair. I know what we should do. Come on. At this rate, this is going to be a 15-minute episode. I haven't even got out of the flipping yard yet. Right, just get your nose in here. See what it smells like. Look. What's this? Oh, look. Food. Food. Yeah, food. Alright, do we want to take them into the open field? Come on. Keep following. Keep following. Come on. No, not you, you're sheep. It's on. Right, we're going live. I'm just going to have to rugby tackle the other one. I mean, it was stressful, but it was a mild success. Now we've got to go back and actually manhandle a piglet. This could be less delicate. This is the new fencing system we're going to use for the sheep in a minute. We'll take a look at that. She thought we left her. Come on! Bloody thing nearly gave me an asthma attack. Oh my days, such drama queens. So isn't that better? Why didn't you just come out when I asked you to? Alright, you're going to be well behaved up here? Can I go and have a coffee? So this is a new bit of kit. Basically we're running 3 lines on the sheep. We've got 4 on the pigs at the moment whilst we train them. And you're just putting it in manually, so individual posts, and we've actually only got 1 reel on the go at the moment, so it's just going back and forward to give us the 3 lines. This kind of does it all. Quick release, you just walk and the posts come out as you walk. I think by default the top one, which is kind of 1 meter high, is for cattle or horses, so I'm going to drop that one down to here. This post isn't all the way in, so I guess that's giving us probably 150, 300, maybe a 200mm gap, then another 200. I think that's about right. We can go a little bit lower on the bottom one, but the grass is quite long, so I'm not going to bother there. We could drop this 3rd line down as well, but see how we go. And the first post, which is a starter post, they all come through and join together on this little nut job. And Joe's putting up some old barbed wire to fix the fence, and I haven't heard any yelps down there, so I think we're good so far. Now we know the pigs are behaving themselves. I'm going to move some straw up there, make their bed, and hopefully that'll be that. They'll be up there full time. I'm going to guess that when we do the front and the door, it's going to keep it tidier, because at the moment they'll probably turf it out a bit. I feel like now all of the animals, apart from the chickens, are out. It's only right that we get Matilda out. And chickens can go out 1st of May, 2nd of May. Bird flu, there's a few restrictions still, but they can at least go out. So we're going to be building a mobile chicken tractor and use their netting, and then that way, if we need to put them in lockdown again, it's easy enough and they can still stay out on grass. I might have said this in a previous video, but this battery energizer, I must have had it about 15 years. I haven't really used it that much, but it seems to be doing just fine. Although what we've done up there is put the top pig pen and all of the sheep fencing all on mains. So eventually we will have everything wired up to that. But this kind of instant fence, I'm just going to make a quick square with it now, put her out, and I'm just going to bring her in at night until we've built a second big pig house.